Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Fahey-Ahrndt, and we're here for day 6 of Christmas in July. Can you believe it? We have one more day after today. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm showing you my 5-year journal that I got at Joann's. I believe this is the Park Lane brand, and I'm just showing you the inside cover. It's really beautiful. This journal has been really well built and manufactured. You have a page for every day for the next 5 years, and most month pages have like a little landing page on it saying like the month, and then like there's a little quote for you. It's very cute, and I love the color scheme here. It's a pink and aqua, which is right up my alley. And so you can see you have at the beginning of the month you will have a space to write important dates, and you can put years by them if you want to. And then each daily page has like 5 lines that you can write on, and you would enter the year behind the date. So it's really lovely. I love this beautiful cover. It's got peonies on it, which is perfect because I love them and I grow them in my garden, and I look forward to them every spring, May and June. Sadly, by July they're gone. So I'm gonna use my Office Max or my Office Depot pens. I have used this before in different videos and I love them. They are the best gel pens. So I'll link them below if you want to check them out. So now I'm just going to fill in this book belongs to page and get going with starting with the month of July. So when I went to Joann's and saw this journal, I've seen 5-year journals before and I've been curious about them. I have a notebook where I'll write morning pages in, so as many pages as I can, but usually a paragraph to 3 pages in the morning when I wake up, sort of as a brain dump. And this is something I learned in the book The Artist's Way. I've done other videos on that I can link to in the description below. But there's something that just had me curious about this 5-year journal. So the idea is that you would use this same notebook and do a small entry every single day, and then after years you'd have multiple entries on one page for one day, and then ultimately you'd have 5 entries over the next 5 years. It's pretty cool. Just really cool to think about that you could go back and look at your life to see where you were 5 years ago and where you are today. Hopefully you're in a wonderful spot, and hopefully you're in an even better spot than you were then. But I think the idea of looking back and reflecting and just seeing like, that was what my life was like. I think it's a beautiful thing and a beautiful story that you can tell yourself. So now I'm going ahead just filling in the dates worth noting page. And it's July, so Independence Day, some of my birthdays for my mother-in-law, my aunt, my godmother, and my dad's birthday are this month. So it's a busy one, and it's really cool. And today's entry is going to be all about, entering this time where I am going full force within my YouTube channel. And, I'm up editing videos, creating videos, and just trying to get the creative juices flowing. I am really excited that I decided that I was going to do this for me this summer because there's so much going on. Life's very full with work and with my kids, and it's nice to have this outlet for me. And the cool thing is I am still making time for my family. The weekend that I filmed this, I actually was able to go visit my sister, and I am godmother for my really adorable nephew, and he was baptized, and it was just so fun to be there for my family in Wisconsin that weekend. And I'm just really grateful that I got to make those memories, and pretty cool that I got to document it here in this journal. So I'm curious if this is something that you'd be interested in doing. And so please leave me a note in the comments if you watched. And don't forget, because at the end of this week, I'll be entering all the names into a drawing for a giveaway. And I'm so excited to, be able to have this experience with you and have one more day for Christmas in July. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.